thunderstorm warning for East Central Franklin County, Ohio, until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bexley, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Bexley, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Whitehall, Bryce, and Blacklick estates. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 99 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 105 and 110.